Good morning, David Zien, EMEA Sales Director for Vivitek. We are very pleased to welcome you on our booth on ISE 2020. Today I would like to introduce to you our new product, the NovoLED. So basically NovoLED is a LED wall with a built-in wireless collaboration and signage. This is the new addition to our ecosystem, and actually the NovoLED will come in different sizes. So what you can see here is a 137 inches LED wall. It's coming in a 110 and also 220 different resolution. This one is a full HD, the 220 is a 4K, and 110 is also a full HD with a pitch of 1.2. For more information, I would recommend you to visit our website, www.vivitek.eu. And we are very pleased to welcome you on our booth if you have a chance to pass by.